Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
Park the Toyota Tundra on level ground and chock the rear wheels. Engage the parking brake. Loosen lug nuts slightly, lift the truck with a 2-ton floor jack, and place rated jack stands under the frame rails. Remove the wheel to expose the strut assembly. Wear safety glasses and gloves and support the lower control arm with a secondary stand to relieve coil spring tension. Disconnect the negative battery terminal to avoid ABS or airbag sensor faults while you work near wiring harnesses and brake components. Begin by disconnecting sway bar links and any brake line or ABS wire brackets bolted to the strut. Mark locations if needed. Support the steering knuckle with a jack or strap to prevent sudden droop once the strut is free. Remove the lower mounting bolts and carefully lower the knuckle away from the strut. At the top, unfasten the 3 upper strut nuts inside the engine bay and extract the strut assembly. Use a rated spring compressor to safely compress the coil. Then remove the strut cartridge from the spring tower. Assemble the new strut by inserting the cartridge into the compressed coil spring and seat the top mount properly. Carefully decompress the spring so the assembly holds together, then raise the assembly into the strut tower and loosely install the 3 upper nuts. Align the steering knuckle and insert the lower mounting bolts. Tighten all hardware to specified torque values with a calibrated torque wrench and reattach sway bar links and brake line brackets. Lower the truck. Torque lug nuts in a star pattern, perform a short road test, and get a professional alignment check.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.